and some of the things that were important in terms of eventually leading you here, and then we will get into the topic, which is European dictators and the Second World War. Let's start it from that perspective.
Well, as you already said, my name is Alana McLaughlin. I am a 6th grade student at John Early Padilla Museum Magnet Middle School. I remain an honor roll student, which is all A's and B's, and sometimes maybe all A's, depending on how hard the course is. And so those are the basic facts about my education. Now, when you talk about my background, I am involved in many activities, such as at school, I'm on the debate team, and I think in about March, I believe, we had a debate championship where I was given the title the best debater out of all these children that we've been in debates with. Like, and it's like 200 children from all around Tennessee. Like, some could be from Madison, some could be from Coffee County. Like, these are so many children from so many different places, and to be like the best debater out of all of them, not just the best in my place, but the best debater, I think that's something I feel like mentioning. And I'm also involved in the children's ministry at my church. I am what they like to call a senior acolyte, which means I've been doing acolyting for as long as I could basically understand what I was doing. And so those are some of the many things that I'm involved in, and I am also I'm about to be involved in Derby, which is the art of skating. It's like a sport. And so, yes, those are some of the many things I'm involved in.
Very good. And so, Alana, the topic that you've selected, and I think our audience understand that most of these topics you select, in a real sense, you've been able to bring us quite a bit of information in all of these topics. But we, again, believe that the one dealing with European dictators and the Second World War is a topic that certainly should have a lot of information, and we're hoping that you can give us that kind of information. When we talk about European dictators in the Second World War, what are we talking about when we talk about dictators? Who are some of these European dictators that we talk about?
Dictators are basically like rulers who make all the rules, who judge everything, who basically they own everything. They own you, they own the courts, the police. That's a dictator, a ruler of that area, that country, or that, state. There could be dictators anywhere. I could be the dictator of this show. Because there are dictators everywhere. You may not know it, but that's the true definition of a dictator.
And so when we talk about European dictators during the Second World War, who are some of these European dictators that we're going to eventually talk about during the second part of this show, the second segment of this show? Why don't you give us sort of an overview of the dictators that you'd like to speak to?
Now, today we're going to be talking about Adolf Hitler, Joseph Stalin, and Mussolini, which are some of these dictators. Like Adolf Hitler was the Chancellor of Germany. These are all dictators, European dictators. And so that's what you mean when you call a dictator. Like, I know when most people think about Adolf Hitler or Stalin or Joseph, they think of, they're so mean, they kill people. And that's basically all they think. They just think there's somebody that went around and killed somebody. What they thought was that they were in a higher place of authority than the average person or the president. They thought that they were the ruler of it. They ruled everything. If you didn't dress the way they liked, you got killed. If you didn't do something that they liked, you got killed.
And so these European dictators that we're going to talk about after this first segment is over are people that you've identified as leaders of the heads of states. That is, they have the political situation under control, they have the judicial situation under control, the legislative situation under control, but now you want to deal with specific